In this module, we will take a look at the i1Profiler interface. When you launch i1Profiler, its Home Wizard screen appears. i1Profiler provides a basic and advanced user mode, which can be selected on the right-hand side of the screen. Depending upon what is selected, more or less options will appear in the workflow selector on the left-hand side. In basic mode, only the most relevant workflows for ICC input and output profile creation are offered. And within a selected workflow, the tasks and options offered are also reduced. For instance, using predefined printer charts and settings to quickly and easily get accurate ICC profiles. In advanced mode, more workflows and tasks are accessible. Also, within a workflow, more settings. For example, the ability to generate custom printer test charts becomes available. You are also able to manage license upgrades and product registration on the right-hand side of the home screen. Here you will also find information about the software version, and you can check for software upgrades or set the software to do so automatically. For monitor profiling, you will need to select the measurement device you want to use. This is because i1Profiler also comes bundled with other products for monitor color management, like the i1 Display Pro and the i1 Display Pro Plus. When selecting a workflow in basic user mode, for instance printer profiling, you can navigate through every step by using the arrow button on the right-hand side, or by clicking on a workflow step in the workflow diagram at the bottom of the screen. i1Profiler also has integrated help. In basic mode, the help is displayed by default on the left-hand side within a workflow wizard. When moving the mouse over an option, the help dynamically provides a dedicated explanation for the option. Selecting a workflow in advanced user mode, for example printer profiling again, shows more steps in the workflow diagram. Navigation through every step is the same. Use the arrow button on the right-hand side, or click on a workflow step directly. The integrated help can optionally be activated by clicking on the question mark icon in the bottom left-hand side of the wizard. One main difference to the basic workflow is the Assets section on the left-hand side in the workflow wizard. Assets are files which can be saved in an XML-based format for every step in a workflow. They include all settings or data selected or produced in a particular step. When clicking on the Save button in the wizard and saving the settings or data in the predefined folder structure of the software, the asset will appear in the Assets section on the left-hand side. These assets can easily be shared, even between Mac and Windows operating systems, or reused by moving an asset file via drag and drop to a workflow step, by clicking on the Load button, or by simply double-clicking on an asset file. In this way, it is also possible to reload full ICC profiles which have been created with i1Profiler. Aside from saving single assets for every step in the workflow, you can also save and reload complete workflows. All of this makes usage of the software and sharing of settings and data, test charts, and measurement data very powerful.